Hey, moms out there, this is for you. Mother's Day is right around the corner, and let's be real. What do we really want this Mother's Day? Let's dive in and be honest about the perfect day from our perspective. First off, can we just skip the alarm clock for once? A day that starts without the jarring beep of duty would be heavenly. Waking up naturally, maybe to sunlight gently filtering through the curtains, sounds like a dream, right? And then, imagine this. A morning without any rush. Sipping coffee while it's still hot, enjoying that book that's been collecting dust on the nightstand. Pure bliss. But it doesn't stop there. How about a day without the constant mom? Where's my? No scavenger hunts for missing socks or favorite toys. Instead, a day where everything is right where it should be. Speaking of being where it should be, how about everyone else handling the meals? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner prepared and served with love. And I don't have to lift a finger or think about the dishes afterward. Now let's talk about gifts. We all cherish those handmade cards and crafts. They melt our hearts. But if there is to be a little shopping involved, something that says someone has really thought about what makes us tick. Maybe a gift card to our favorite store, a spa day, or that book by our favorite author that we've been eyeing for months. And you know what would be the cherry on top? A little appreciation. A simple, heartfelt, "Thank you, Mom, for all you do can make all the difference." It's not just about the physical gifts or the break from daily chores. It's about feeling seen and appreciated. So, families, take note. This Mother's Day, give the mom in your life the gift of relaxation, appreciation, and maybe a little bit of quiet. Trust me, it's exactly what she wants. And to all you amazing moms out there, here's to hoping your day is as wonderful as you are. Keep shining and know that you are appreciated, not just on Mother's Day, but every single day. Happy Mother's Day. That's my perfect day. What's yours? Drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks for listening, and take care, everyone.